good. In this video we are going to learn how we can add a image border in card. You can see here this in this folder I have some images and index.html file and style.css file. So I made a simple basic card here. You can see like this is card title and this is card details and this is card border. So this is the basic border is like this. We can add a border though, so we will add this image border and how we can apply it. So I will show you on my VS Code. I have already opened this and there's you can see this all images is here, index.html and style.file. So I will hide this section here. So you can see now we have this basic HTML code. There is basic HTML code and here we have connected this style file and here is title and here we have written this how do we need that for this card. You can see here this we have this, the top is container class and inside this we have title and in below this we can see we have a description. So that is we have added the p tab description. So here we have handled this basic HTML CSS file, this basic CSS and body, and we handle this item, this CSS property. We make this all item goes to center and here is our container. There is our main property and there is title property. We have written CSS for title and we have written for description. Here you can see the container.p for this tag we have written this basic CSS and we made this directly. We have made this card here is just like this. So we have set this. So this is our card, this basic card, and we have added this border, so basic CSS border. So now we are going to applying here image border. So how we can apply this? So let's go to my here. So here is, so our main property is container. So we have to handle this property by this container. So we have to go here the style file and we have this main properties container. So here we have added this border 30 pixel solid, so we don't need to remove that. So here now we will apply that another this border style property, that is border image for this image source. So here we will type this border image source and here we will type this URL and slash and here we will apply this image. So I will apply this all images. So first I will apply this image 1. So now let's say that is how it's showing here. So let's open it with the live server and you can see this images on this below this this around we can see this small images box. So now we need to make this size. So for this item we need a border image slice. So let's go to back here and here we will type this border image. So here we need to type this, remove this item slice. So border slice, so we need to provide that value here as a pixel value, but we need to provide the number value here. So because of this number value, so we need to check that this slice. So we'll go to this or Photoshop. So here we will open that images. So you can see this images is already open here. So now I will select that rectangular markup tool and now we will select this from here to here. You can see this the blank space of property here, this images. So here it's around to 69 to 64 like this. So we can say as example 65 pixel. So let's go to this CSS and here we will type this 65 and let's check this index.html file and let's save this file and let's open this. So you can see this images border is successfully, that image border is successfully applied here. So inside of this all text is here. So this is the first images we have successfully applied. So now let's go to this for this next another images. So here is we will apply this, remove this one, or we can directly change this value because we have written by value this img1 img2 img3. So like this for this img2, so we need to check that the slice for this img2. So let's open this file. Okay, open here this img2. So let's open this img2 file and you can see this. So now we need to select that markup tool again and we need to check this slice. There is very small slice but here is very high slice, so we'll take this slice. Okay, that's around to 77, it's around to this 88 and this side is with this 60 74. So we can exactly add that 80. So let's go here, this is our basic CSS file. So here we will apply this 80 value and now let's go to this index.html. is 134. So there is also 134, so we can take it as a 135. So this value we need to type here, 135, and let's check this. You can see that this also successfully enter here, so there is no scratching here. So let's go enter here this another images. So the img4, img5, and this also is jpg format. So you need to check this img slice. So every images you need to check this slice here by just click here opening. So img5 is here, so let's open this, and for this item we have this slice. It's around to here, it's around to 145.